Good morning to all of you. Dignitaries on the dais, Professor D. Ravinder Garu, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Osmania University, Dean, Faculty of Arts, Professor A. Karnakar Garu, Dean, Faculty of Social Sciences, Professor K. Narendra Garu, Osmania University Executive Council Member, Professor Talat Sununtala Madam, and my colleagues and vice principals, Dr. B. Vijaya Garu and Dr. Syed Azimuddin Garu, heads of the departments, chairpersons of Board of Studies, senior faculty members, assistant professors on contract, part-time lecturers, non-teaching staff, and students and research scholars. I welcome all of you for this great event, that is to felicitate our beloved Vice Chancellor, Professor D. Ravinder Garu. On this occasion, on behalf of the faculty and non-teaching staff, sir, I welcome you for this felicitation function. And thank you for accepting our invitation to felicitate you. On this occasion, I would like to share just 2-3 things with you. A serious academician, a serious researcher, and an able administrator is appointed as the Vice Chancellor of Osmania University. In fact, we need to feel proud that we have Professor D. Ravinder as our Vice Chancellor. In fact, it is a great honor to Arts College. It is a great honor to all the faculty members of this college that our own colleague has become the Vice Chancellor of prestigious university, that is Osmania University. In fact, it is not only the achievement of Professor D. Ravinder, but it is a great honor for this college. Professor Ravinder has been recognized as an academician and administrator, and he has entrusted the responsibility of taking this university forward. And especially at this juncture, we need a kind of administrator who can take the responsibility to set right many things. In fact, there are many issues in Osmania University. And I strongly believe that Professor D. Ravinder has such kind of capability to handle the various issues that are persisting in Osmania University, especially for the past 2 years. With his vast experience as the principal PG College, Secunderabad, and also principal of University College of Arts and Social Sciences. He can understand the various issues related to the teachers, students, and research scholars. Definitely, he will come out with appropriate solutions. On behalf of the faculty members and staff, sir, I congratulate you on attaining a highest position of Vice Chancellor in Osmania University. Once again, congratulations to you, sir. And as I said just now, he is having all the capabilities to take this university forward, to solve the various issues related to the teachers and non-teaching staff. We hope, in fact, it is a major challenge for a Vice Chancellor coming 3 years. And definitely, he will transform this university in an intellectual direction. In fact, this particular university now requires an intellectual transformation. And definitely, Professor D. Ravinder will provide a strong leadership to transform and to take this university to produce the intellectuals of this country, or the intellectuals who can provide the leadership at global level. And on this occasion, sir, I would like to bring few issues to your notice. One is, apart from our academic activities, protecting this building is very, very important. This is a monumental building, a historical building, and you know everything about this building. So kindly, by making use of your position, the first priority you have to give that repairing of the roof of this building. Sir, kindly take up this immediately, because now already we have a rainy season, and we should prevent the further damage of the roof of this building. So kindly pay attention on this. Second one, internal repairs. In fact, the building requires many internal repairs. So kindly instruct the building division or the concerned departments to take up these two activities immediately, which are very, very important. And as far as academics are concerned, I know basically you focus more on academics, especially teaching, learning, and research. Yes, as your colleague, yes, I also strongly believe in academics and research. So therefore, all of us, all the faculty members together, let us focus on serious teaching activities. Apart from that, doing serious research and publishing our research work in national and international journals. Sir, we assure you that whatever the activities you have initiated in Arts College, we will take it forward. I hope all our faculty members will cooperate with me. Definitely we can do wonders in Arts College. And whatever the academic and research activities you have initiated in Arts College, like Academic Research Committee, then other research activities, all those activities will continue forward. And at the same time, in addition to that, we have certain ideas like organizing regular lectures and organizing orientation programs for the students, motivating the students to participate in different kind of seminars, discussions. Likewise, we have different ideas. Sir, I am preparing a vision document for Arts College. Within 2 or 3 days, I will submit the vision document of Arts College to you, and accordingly we will proceed further. And during the coming days, we will take up various types of academic and research activities to further enhance the image of Arts College. Arts College has its own image, and it is the responsibility of every teacher to further enhance the image, that image. So let us work together, and definitely we will achieve that. And on this occasion, I request Honorable Vice Chancellor that earlier there were many research journals in Usmania University. Even I made this request to earlier Vice Chancellors also. For example, Faculty of Social Sciences. We had a Usmania Journal of Social Sciences, which was almost 40 years old journal, and for which we have ISSN number. But because of certain reasons, we are not able to regularly publish that. So my sincere request to the Honorable Vice Chancellor is that at least in Arts College, you and even we have the deans here, Faculty of Arts and Faculty of Social Sciences must have official journal where our own teachers can publish their research work in the journal. And in fact, Usmania Journal of Social Sciences was one of the best journal, but of course, because of various reasons, we could not continue it. In fact, I was the associate editor for that journal. So my request is that, sir, allocate at least 1 lakh to each faculty to run the research journal. In fact, we can project our research work only through these research journals. And running a research journal is a very good platform to project the academic and research image of the faculty members and also the departments. So not only Faculty of Social Sciences, sir, in entire university, you please ask all deans of faculty to start one research journal, and for which you please allocate the budget. And if you can allocate at least 1 lakh to each faculty, that is sufficient for a biannual journal. This is one request on behalf of Arts College. Secondly, as you know, Arts College needs the supporting staff, especially non-teaching staff. So I request you, since you are our Vice Chancellor, so we feel that we have that freedom to request you that kindly allocate sufficient number of non-teaching staff to carry out the various academic and non-academic activities in Arts College. And lastly, to further enhance the academic stature of this university, recruitment is essential, sir. You know very well, maybe in coming 2 years, most of the senior teachers will retire. Those who were appointed during 90s, 91, 92, almost all of them will retire maybe within 2 years. So therefore, there will be so much of gap, so much of vacuum in academic field. So therefore, by exercising your powers, kindly initiate the process of recruitment of teachers. And you need to take up a massive recruitment, not a simple kind of recruitment, sir. A massive recruitment is required for at least teaching and non-teaching positions. So definitely then we can carry out or carry forward the past glory of Usmania University. And I hope you will do it. You have that capability. You can do it. But you please initiate this process as early as possible so that during your tenure, Usmania University will definitely emerge as the top university in the country. Already we are in Usmania University is considered as one of the top university in the country, but we have to be in first five. We have to be in first five. So in that direction, all of us need to work together, and for which I request the Vice Chancellor to take the leadership. And we will do that. So whatever the directions you would like to give, sir, we are ready to follow that. We are ready to take any amount of risk to involve in academic and research activity. So we have that capability, and most of our teachers have that capability, potentiality to work. So under your leadership, we work hard, and we will further enhance the glory of Usmania University. Thank you very much. And once again, I thank you very much, sir, for giving your valuable time for this felicitation function. Thank you very much.